Alrighty. I'm gathering some rocks. Got a little handful right there. And I'm just kind of going along the trail, building this little wall up, I guess you can say. We are going to do some digging. And I promise that I will give a shout out to Hunter Barbie. Thank you very much for subscribing, watching the videos. I greatly appreciate it. I told you I will give you a shout out, so you're awesome. Thank you. And to let y'all know as well, last video you saw a big old hole right here, and where that big old piece of sun right there shining, where I actually filled that hole in. So there's no longer one big hole. It still needs some dirt from here to here, you know, to kind of smooth it out a little bit. I don't think I'm going to be working right here right now. I'm gonna go around and get some rocks and try to make it look pretty all along around here and all up and up the hill as well. So y'all stay tuned. When I talk about rocks, yeah, there's gonna be some small ones, you know. There's gonna be little small ones like there, you know. But I'm talking about this guy right here. Big rocks. That's what I'm trying to find. I'm trying to create a foundation of the small rocks to hold the big rocks in place. Yeah, I mean, that's a nice little rock. Oh, wow, look at that. That's awesome. But that's little small rocks to big rocks to even bigger rocks. And they're kind of all over the place. So that is what we're gonna do. Woo. See y'all, this is rock heaven right here. I mean, literally rocks everywhere. I mean, they're pretty big rocks. They're not big boulders like that guy right there. But some of them are. Some of them are pretty big. Like that one right there. We'll not be able to pick up that sucker. But there are some big ones that I'm going to put in my buggy. There's some big ones. They're all over the place. Mine! You know those ants. Now, this whole bottom thing was like black because of ants. But it's not the ants' rock. Whoa, I about fell. It's my rock. No! That's their home. You can probably hear it. They're all over the place. Still my rock. Oh, you did. Well, there's a lot more. Go find another one. I filled it up, and I surely hope, those are some big rocks right there. I surely hope that this will be, well, I'm sure my Suzuki will be able to tow this load. That's a lot of weight right there, everyone. A lot of weight. Here's Caden, just chilling, coming up here to help me, maybe? No, because I've already done. Oh, that's okay. I got more loads to do, so you can help me then, okay? Good, bud. Let's zoom in on the face there. Anyways, so what I'm gonna do is yank these rocks, put them on the side. You know what? Let's just snap our fingers. Ready, set, boom. There you go. I'm not gonna put those rocks out right now because I'm just collecting rocks. I got all those rocks, I got all those rocks, I got all those rocks, and I got a mountain of rocks. These are bigger. These are, let's get closer. I can see how big these rocks are. Yes, sir. No, these are smaller rocks. But some are big. Arm down gets big. I'm gonna build this wall up and hopefully go all the way down with it. Second load. So this old Suzuki King Quad. Yeah, it's fun, but it's a work vehicle as well. All right, Caden, especially when you got a big man right there driving it. I mean, I guess, right? Now, that is a rock right there. All right, dude. Now, these rocks, I mean, it's not one of the biggest rocks, but these rocks, you gotta roll. got. Oh, just a little right there. Attempt to pick it up. That's how you do it. All right, Caden said that's a rock, which, yeah, that's a rock. That's the baby to the rock, to that rock. Is that right? Yeah, that's right. All right, the big rock's in place. So far, I'm not gonna move that right now. But you can see all the rocks. I haven't stacked anything. I just threw them right here, and we'll tackle that here shortly. Trying to collect some rocks, but it's gonna look good. So it has been about a week since I have came back on this trail here, and it has literally rained every single day. So I'm in this just to give you guys a. I know some of you were thinking about it's going to wash out or whatever the case may be, but I'll tell you, nothing's moved. No dirt's moved. Nothing's floating down the hill or anything like that. So I just wanted to kind of let you know, and even the deer and everything else loves this trail. We have a total of probably 9 trees that are down so far from all this crazy, weird weather. But the creek is flowing pretty nice. I don't know if you can see that or not. We'll go down there here shortly. Shout out to Shaw Speaks. You're awesome. Thank you for commenting. Thank you for liking. Thank you for subscribing. You're awesome, brother. I appreciate you. You guys go check out his channel. So today we are going to get some of these rocks out of the ground that are like staged into the ground right now to kind of widen, a little bit of this trail right here, get it nice and smooth. Just work our way down. This is where we kind of left off a couple of videos, maybe the last video. This is kind of where we left off. The ground is soaking wet. So I'm not sure if it's going to be hard or easy, but I know it's not going to be too easy to rake after I chop it all up. I'm going to try to kind of work down this hill if I can. I know I'm going to try to get some rocks that are staged into the ground right there. So I'll get that out, and hopefully that will loosen up some of the dirt to get this thing going. I don't know if y'all see that or not, but there is a rock. I'm not sure how deep it is, but I know the sharp side of the pick there, it's probably 6 inches, so it's 6 inches deep right there. So this is gonna be a before picture right here. We're gonna see what unfolds. Digging underneath it. This is gonna help out. If I get this rock out, it's gonna make it even right here, so it won't be so lopsided going up and down the trail. That's the plan anyway. What comes one rock comes with others. So I've already dug a little bit right there, and I got another one right here to hopefully take pressure off that rock. But I've already got some dirt moved on that side right there to make it a little bit more smooth. Hey, if I get 6 feet, 7 feet from right here to there, hey, I'm good. I'm good. And then we can kind of do some more rocks. But I am gonna make that trail a little wider. Probably won't record too much of it because y'all seen it, but all these little rocks that are embedded in the ground is making this trail uneven, and these rocks are probably a foot underneath the dirt. So with that, it will indirectly get this a lot more leveled up. Got that rock out right there, out of dirt, and I'm still working on that one. Literally 2 more rocks came out of that hole right there, along with the rock right there at the edge of the tree. It's crazy, absolutely crazy, which is good. I mean, a lot more digging, It's actually a little harder work than doing the sides there, digging these rocks out of there. But I'm still working on that guy right there. And hopefully I can kind of work my way down a little bit. We'll see. So, I got it moving. So you got like a wiggly tooth. Finally got it moving a little bit. When it wiggles, there's hope. Shaw, if you're watching this, I don't know how big that rock is that you're trying to get out or move. Get the old pickaxe and I just try to pull it with a pickaxe versus using your hands. Takes a little less muscle strain. Woo! Where's a bobcat when you need one? More work. I'll tell you what, this is heavy and awkward. You know, y'all call them rocks, I call them boulders. And that sucker right there, I don't know if y'all can see that or not, but that's a bigger boulder. Distance when you zoom in, that's an even bigger boulder. Come on, rock, you can do it. Just move. Don't you feel weird just talking to the camera? And like you tell somebody or something to do something and it doesn't do it, doesn't it? But anyway, oh well. Guess I'm used to it. Rock, me and you could become good friends here. Not really. You can do it. If I didn't love this trail and I didn't want to work out and didn't want to feel nice and sweaty and stinky, this is a workout I've been working on. This is not the same rock as right there. I mean, they're kind of right beside each other. One's right here and one's right there, so they're kind of embedded in the dirt. That one's out, and this one is. I'll let you decide. When I get this rock right here out, we're gonna celebrate like when I got my first 100 subscribers. How about that? All right, cool. Where is Superman when you need him? When you need him. Now, I know I said that I was going to celebrate as soon as I got this big old rock out of this big old pit. Let me catch my breath. So, now it's time to do a little bit of celebration. This rock took a little longer than a few minutes later, if you know what I mean. So, boom! Woo! Yeah. I mean, I celebrate a little more whenever I hit 100 subscribers. But when I have 1,000 subscribers, you'll see some everybody in the whole. Everybody hear me. Look at that big old. I mean, it had roots and everything on it. You know what I'm gonna do right now? It's a big hole. It's a big rock. You know what I'm gonna do right now? I'm gonna leave it right there. We're driving along. Oh, what's that? In the middle of the trail. That's not a squirrel. It's not a deer. It's not a bear. That's a boulder. Boom! And then right there's a big hole where the sun is. Wait for it. Wait for it. Maybe block it. No. No. I mean, y'all can celebrate with me on that one right there. That took a long time to get out, so I used a lot of energy. If I had equipment, I would just dig that sucker up and be done with it. But the trail's coming along. I appreciate the motivation of you guys to help me keep pushing on this trail. Yeah, I want it done, but I want it done right, and I want it done to be pretty. Does that make sense? But here you go. Here's a lot of the rocks that I collected, and I have a lot more to collect. Eventually, this will look really good, and I will appreciate it if y'all join me on this adventure of everything that we do here. I know there is some of the next videos, I have some going on here, some projects we have that was a request for one subscriber, some projects that we have that kind of give some inspiration on some things. But I appreciate it. There's some more rocks just embedded in the ground. Will we ever touch that? Absolutely not, because it is big. But this is going to conclude part 8. I greatly appreciate everything that y'all do. Thank you for viewing. Thank you for liking. Thanks for subscribing. Thank you for commenting. And peace out for now. Stay tuned for the next video. Peace. It's already stuck. Oh man.
You gotta go.
I did.
You can't stop.
You stop, Bo. Yeah. That sucker. Look.
All right.
Good gosh.
Yeah, okay.
Yep. Where's my foot at? Okay, there it is.
We got to rock it out?
Jeez. Oh, gosh. Yes, sir. That's in there. Man. Dude, you're about a foot in the